Packout connectivity, says twist to lock. You got all day hot and cold retention. Says build your system. Smooth open and close. Got 20 ounce tumbler, 48, 22, 83, 92R. Engineered by Milwaukee tool, professionally made in China. Smooth open and close. Double wall vacuum insulation. A dishwasher safe. You got twist lock module, so it's modular with the Packout. Alright, that's one thing I don't like about it, that it get half of the glue and the thing. Step 1, align arrows with the lid and lid cover. Align arrows and the lid cover right there. Step 2, insert your finger through the bottom of the lid opening and push the lid cover up. Alright, so this does come off when you put it on the arrow. Interesting. 3, remove the lid cover with the opposite hand. Alright, so that is to remove this part and clean it out. Yeah, it's the same way. You gotta align it with the tabs here and then just put it back in, and then you can twist it on and off. So that's pretty much the way it works to clean it out. Alright, so it does say Packout at the bottom. It says US Patents, Milwaukee Tool.com. It says 4822 8392R Packout, dishwasher safe, made in China. BPA free, 20 ounce, 591 millimeter. You take out the lid, it does have a seal there. Nice metal finish on the inside. Then you get a poster. We got the Yeti here. It's very similar in size. You guys do see actually the same size, but you know the Packout plastic makes it a little taller. So you guys just see about, I'll say about half an inch taller. We do have different type of lid here. Yeti is push and pull. The outside's basically the same thing on the inside. Same type of lock. Alright, so we got the Packout tumbler. We're gonna try this. We got just an organizer here. So what you do is, I guess you just line it up with the 2 tabs. Just put it in, I guess. That's the way it works. Pretty sturdy. I mean, it works pretty good. It works enough so you can tilt your Packout, your box or whatever, and it'll still hold pretty good. So, and pretty much it does have 3. The Packout does have 2 tabs. The tumbler has 3, so any other 3 will interlock. Alright, so it does have a stop, so it does stop. Let me try another one here on this side. Alright, so same thing, it does lock. Heard a lot of things that, you know, it does leak. Personally, I might drop it. If it drops, I'm gonna drop it like that and then just pick it up, you know, if it falls. I'm personally not gonna be carrying it like this. We're gonna put water on both of these. This is the Yeti. So we're gonna put about half, which is a few ounces. I'll say that's enough. There's enough water in there. And all right, it fell. No spills. So once you get to pour it basically like this, it's gonna spill. It does spill. A lot of you have different expectations about this. I personally, you know, if it spills a little bit, it saves my drink still in there. You can wipe this and, you know, get on with your day. That's basically what I expect from this. I don't expect this to seal 100%. But yeah, this is not too bad. You get a few drops. So let's put some on this one. This is the Yeti. It's already locked. This is the Yeti. Let's put whatever's left on this, which is about the same. Slicking. Slicking a few drops. You guys see it? So guys, these are definitely not designed to be sealed 100%. These are designed to keep it cold, and if you drop it, you know, you do get a few drops here and there, but that's it. You know, that's pretty much what I think they designed these tumblers to be, and they're both doing the job. Obviously, where's Milwaukee? Where's the? There it is. You are getting some drops. You guys see them? Check it out, guys. I do recommend this thing after work. Obviously, you're at home. You wanna carry this in your Packout. You got your cold coffee in the morning, or hot coffee in the morning, or your cold drink, your cold soda or Gatorade, whatever you drink. These are really nice. I wish I would have gotten the bigger one because I wanted the bigger one, but fortunately that's all they had at my store. If I see the bigger one, then I'll go ahead and buy it. But guys, I think it's fairly comparable to the Yeti. It does pretty much the same thing. I mean, it's not sealed 100%, but it does work. Like you guys see the drops. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.